Today I'm to talk about something called operating system. Welcome back to PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. I'm still your friend Aheba Martin. This is my number and this is my email. So what are the skills are we going to learn in this video? We are going to be looking at how to work with an operating system, how to protect a computer operating system. These are some of the skills we are going to be learning in this video. So let's continue to our work that we are going to be looking at. So this day we are to talk about this big word here, operating system. So computers without operating systems are exactly like televisions without a signal. See, I think you have seen this bold statement that computers without operating systems are exactly like televisions without a signal. Yes, it will turn on, but you will be looking at a black screen with no hope of interacting with it. The most popular operating system in the planet is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows. So Microsoft Windows is the Windows actually which most of us we are using. And actually by now I'm operating with Microsoft Windows. How do you know that I'm interacting with Microsoft Windows? You just come here on folders section. For example, here on your folders section, in any folder, then you click on this PC. You see where there is this PC, you just right click on it and say properties. Let's say that you want to see if you are dealing with Windows operating system. So you can see it is Windows 10 operating system. I think you can see. So this is how we check the operating system. I hope that you got it. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let us continue. They are saying that computers without operating systems are exactly like televisions without signal. Yes, it will turn on, but you will be looking at a black screen with no hope of interacting with it. The most popular operating system on the planet is Microsoft Windows, as how I have just showed you how to know the Windows operating system on your computer. Just look for that folder icon, then you tap on this PC, you right click on it, you choose properties, as how I've been able to show you in the in just seconds backward. So now, and is utilized by 90% of the world's computers. It is a very complicated program that acts as the brains of the computer, allowing you to run other programs, work on projects, and do basically everything of which computers are capable. So that is it, whereby actually after installing this operating system, we continue to do what? To install other application softwares, for example, the office that we are now dealing with and other softwares. So that is actually the definition of an operating system. It is a very complicated program that acts as the brains of the computer, allowing you to run other programs, work on projects, and do basically everything of which computers are capable. So let's continue. So do I think we can see the operating system? This man is trying to do something, and now is dealing with the operating system of the computer. So let's see. There are other operating systems out there as well. The Apple Computer Company uses an operating system called Mac OS Extended. So Macintosh operating system, that one, the extended, the newer version, which while looking very different from Microsoft Windows, runs under the same basic principles. So what do they mean here? They are trying to tell you that all Mac OS plus the Windows operating system, they all work under same basic principles. So let's continue. Operating system, as how you're seeing it in the image, the operating system is so important that computers are sold with them already installed and ready to go. In addition to this, popular software programs are often already on computers. So all you have to do is plug it in, meaning that just install it in. It will install other packages that it comes with it. This is the equivalent of buying a television set with the cable already installed, meaning that if you buy an operating system, it comes with all the properties, all the settings that you need, that after installing it on your computer, then your computer will be actually actually will start to work properly with that operating system, because in the period of installing it loads all the required settings and the required plugins, as well as several DVD videos stored on it as well. So this is the operating system. Do you ever need to mess with an operating system? Surely, do you need to tackle or to make changes? So, so do you have need? So, do you ever need to mess with the operating system? No. You just need to ask yourself this question: do you ever need to mess with the operating system? No, it should run correctly and without error for as long as you have your computer. In fact, if you ever bring your computer to get fixed, so for whatever reason, you can bet that the technician will be looking primarily at your operating system, not your programs, in the same way that a mechanic will look at your car engine. So what are we trying to mean here? We are trying to say, surely, do you need to change the operating system settings? Here, maybe do you need to change, to alter some things in the operating system? Here, we are trying to tell you that it is no, you don't need to tackle with the operating system. You don't have to change the settings of the operating system. If you change the settings of the operating system, it means that you are messing it up. You are just making it do some wrong things, and which will make you feel angry at the end of the day. So that is why we are like saying that in most times when you take your computer for repairments, for checkups, what they do, these mechanics, they normally do checkups of the operating system, because they know that the operating systems are the normally the major causes of the poor setting up of the computer, maybe poor running of the program. So my dear friend, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. I'm still your friend, Aheba Martin. In case you have not understood something, you can comment below and I will be answering you very, very, very soon. Hoping that you've enjoyed it. I wish you a good bye.